I just started tearing up because I'm like, man, now I get to have all this chicken to myself.
Yes, sir. We back again. We back again. What we about to do, my boy?
Man, we about to finally get this bumper on there. Valve cover.
Yeah, valve cover on the Honda. What else we doing? That's pretty much it, right?
And we going wet.
Yes, sir. Hey, so today is gonna be a action-packed day, man. So go ahead and finish up the bumper on the Sentra. Oh, y'all forgot to do my intro, y'all. What's up, guys? It is your boy Tony B, and we back again with another lit video. And today, I already told you what we're gonna do. My boy over there lifting himself, but we finna get this thing done. Go get it rolling. We ain't playing, bro. We knocking bangers out day after day after day after day after day after day after day.
Nope.
Yes. Yes, sir. Hey. All right, y'all. I'm gonna stop being stupid. We're gonna get it rolling.
I think I just broke for a second.
Huh?
I think I just broke.
You know I did, boy. You know how I get down, bro. I break all the time.
For a cargo cover. Nobody want to tell Sean come in.
KP, pull that, man.
Don't send him This nigga KPC doesn't get lifted. Frank, come pull the middle right here.
Yeah, pull that, man.
2,000 years later.
Woo! All right, y'all. I'm gonna tell you this: your workspace is your best investment. Cause boy, it took us everything to try to get this bumper done, cause it flexed so much. But pretty much we got it laid down. This wrap right here, this satin, it reminds me to never do satin ever again, cause it's so hard to lay down compared to that gloss. That gloss is so much easier than this, man. But to be honest with you, we'll probably end up just cutting this little part, making a little opening for the exhaust. We'll do a little quick, cheap, little easy exhaust on this thing. Just trying to give y'all a quick little update of what we got going on. I don't know. We're probably gonna do the valve cover next on the Honda, and then we just go from there, y'all. And I keep updating y'all as we go on, y'all. Alright, now we're going to take out this valve cover. I like to number my wires. That two look upside down. Oh well. Whatever way it goes, I like to number them just so we can get them back in the back spot. The right spot. God dang it, bro. I can't go a whole video without messing up. Facts.
Well, that boy got that shit off already? Why you is not playing no games, bruh?
All right, y'all. As y'all can see, oh my God, look at this. Look at this. Got a little smudge on the lens. But all right, y'all. Let me show y'all how I can do a clean tape job like that. A little old head. He taught me to get something hard. I just got this socket. Just went around it. What it does, it just pretty much, you know, put pressure on the sharp parts, and what it'll do is just give you a clean cut hole. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do this and hit it with the first coat of black high temp paint.
Stank down it. Ugh.
Don't change nothing.
You know what I'm saying? Look. Let's see. Come on. See what kind of pressure you got. I'm gonna put some pressure on you, my boy.
Don't change nothing.
Come on, boy. Let's see what you got, Picasso.
That shit don't change nothing.
Let's see what you got, Picasso. Oh, he did this one good right here. Let's see what he got, bro. Let's see what you got, bro.
I tell you, that camera don't change nothing, bro. Nah, that's Jeff calling me.
I tried to mess you up.
Oh. Me out the game, bro. I just ignored that call, boy.
But I would have felt violated. Somebody took out my AirPod. That thing has some suction on it too, boy. All right, y'all. We're gonna go ahead and finish it up. Ooh, excuse me. Boy, that wrinkle black looking lack. Boy, that thing looking good, boy. Oh my goodness. What happened? Huh? Oh man, that brake clean ain't nothing, bro. All it is fuel, man. You good, bro. Yeah, this wrinkle black looking good, y'all. Man, I can't believe how that thing turning out, man. Looking amazing. Can I touch it? Should I touch it? They say don't touch it yet. I don't know if I'm gonna go ahead and spray the red on there. I might have to wait till it cure, because we're gonna do like a red on top. I could have just got the red one, but I was like, look, I need to just use this black wrinkle paint up, and then I'll spray over the top of it, and we may go ahead and sand off the VTEC and make that just pop, you know, make that look different. But I don't know, we'll see. My man over here, he hitting the block. He thinking about trying to spray the little head, pause, over here with a little black, make it look a little better. But I guess I'll cut y'all on and when we do something else. I guess. Or y'all see the finished product. I don't know how it's gonna go. Cause I gotta go cook some food, man. Y'all know how it is, bro. At my house, man. It's always something. I love you, babe. Crinkle black. Nope, not crinkle black. Crinkle red. Crinkle black was under there. Still got to dry. As you can see, there's still some wet spots. What y'all think? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Alright, gang, I just had y'all running like crazy. It's gonna be hard for me to find these clips, but here is what we got so far. I don't know if y'all can see the crinkle. Still has to dry. As y'all was saying, I was using the heat gun to help with the crinkles, but I believe as time goes on, it will crinkle up even more as it dries. Only thing I wish I could have done, I would have used like some type of gray or white primer, because the red is more dark, but I think it looks pretty good. Looks way better than it was before. So I don't know if I'm gonna have another clip, man. I might have another clip of it being installed, but I think that's pretty much it, y'all. And like I told you before, we might end up sanding this part off just to expose, you know, some what you call it, some metal, just so it would look like brushed. But I don't know, we'll see. We might just leave it like that. But thank y'all for watching. Appreciate y'all for subscribing. Appreciate y'all for looking at your boy looking like a crazy nut. I just cut my hair. I know y'all looking at my hair, it was getting all wild. I cut it back low, so I'm trying to get them waves back, y'all. But like I said, thank y'all for watching. Appreciate y'all for rocking with your boy. Y'all stay tuned for more lit content. Love y'all.